Hey guys, today we are making authentic chicken curry, and this is our chicken. I got 1 pound of chicken, have some green chili and onion paste. Then I have tomato, a cup of tomato puree, some cilantro, some yogurt, Greek yogurt, and I have my spice mix here. And I have all my spices in my spice box. I have turmeric, paprika, red pepper, salt, garam masala, cumin seeds. Then I have some coarse bay leaves, cilantro, coriander seeds, oil, ginger garlic paste, and some kasuri methi, this dried fenugreek leaves. And we're gonna dive directly into on our cooking pan. So our pan is on medium heat. So we're gonna add 2 teaspoonfuls of oil in it. You can use any oil that you like. You can use canola, vegetable, butter, whatever you like. Our oil have nicely heated up. We're gonna add some bay leaf, star anise, some coriander seeds, some cumin, and over here I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And let them crackle and get to brown a little. Then we'll add our onions to it. These are all the spice mixes that makes the curry authentic. You need to have some cumin, some cardamom, star anise, bay leaves, some black pepper in it. Once they are giving out their flavors, I'm gonna add my onion and green chili puree to it. So we'll keep on sauteing it until it turns golden brown or brownish color, so we know our onion and our green chili puree is all cooked and it's giving all the fragrance. After this, once it turns golden, we're gonna add a teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. It's time to add our ginger garlic paste. Here it goes. Let it saute for a minute or two. Once onion and ginger garlic paste is well sauteed, it's time to add our chicken thighs. We have boneless chicken thighs, and we're gonna put it so we can sear it for like 5-7 minutes and cover it with a lid. So we're gonna let the chicken sear for 2-3 minutes. We're gonna cover it with the lid, and we'll cover it with the lid, and we'll keep on mixing it occasionally. Let it sear for a few minutes. And once it's turned the color to a little whitish, then we're gonna add some more spices and ingredients. Chicken is nicely seared now. Now we're gonna add all the spices. First we start with a teaspoonful of salt, then a teaspoon of paprika, then we got some turmeric, and a teaspoon of garam masala, and mix it well. Let the masala get coated on the chicken. Look at it, it's already looking great, delicious. After adding all the masalas, we're gonna add a cup of tomato puree. You can add it anytime after garlic, ginger are sauteed, before or after the chicken, before or after the spices. There's no rule to it. So here you go. Mix it well. Let it saute for another 2-3 minutes. When this oil starts separating on the side, we'll add some yogurt to it to make it more creamy. So look at that. Once separates the oil and looking delicious, the oil has been separating from the sides, and now we'll lower the flame or take it off the flame and then put yogurt and whisk it nicely into the chicken. It became more creamy. Look at that. It's giving its color to it. And now we're gonna let it sit on low flame for 1 minute. Look at that. I'll let you enjoy the bubbling for a minute. Our chicken curry is coming out nice. Now we can add the water you want. So if you're eating with rice, you need more gravy, so you add 2 cups of water, a cup. Or if you're eating with roti or chapati or naan, then you can use less gravy. So I'll put some water into it, mix it well. Keep the flame to medium. You can see the flame. Here's the flame. And over here, let it simmer for next 10 minutes, and we'll check it out in 10 minutes. Cover the lid. Let's set it. So it's been 8 minutes. Let's uncover our chicken curry and see how it's going. Looks well done, almost done. At this point, I usually add homemade butter. You don't have to, it's optional. Just add some extra flavor to it. Let it mix and simmer it for another 2 minutes. It's been a total of 12 minutes now. We can take off the lid. Look at the chicken curry coming together. And now we can garnish it with cilantro and dried fenugreek leaves. There we go. Now we can turn off the gas. There we go. We'll do taste test. Look at the color and creaminess of the chicken. Let's enjoy the chicken curry with some dry chapati. You can try with naan, or you can put it over your rice. Like and subscribe. Bye.